Once you reach a point in this drawing where you've filled the initial gap, you can open up the doors and you reveal a couple of specific things that I find kind of exciting about design. The lines that exist here at the borders of your project, they're not really there. These edges are broken edges. They're implied edges. They're the result of a bunch of lines that terminate all of this single spot thanks to our guides. Carefully release your guides from the page without ripping the paper. And we're going to continue with at least 2 more drawings on this same page. So realign your next guide right at the edge of your first drawing. And I want to see little tiny bits of graphite line peeking out from underneath that guide, but not much else. And then carefully stick that tape down. It's going to be stuck right down on top of your other graphite drawing, don't sweat it. And then lay your next guide in. And we've essentially created a gap for a new drawing. You got a couple ways you could do this. You could just begin randomly with 3 lines again, like we did in the first video. Or what I like to do is kind of carefully pay attention to where my initial lines end at the edge and continue those. I can always modify these lines as I go, and because I have no other lines to work with up on the top, I'll fill in with another line here. And then I want you to just go ahead and repeat the same process of filling in using parallel lines that can intersect but not bisect each other. Continue filling out your second drawing, complete a third drawing, and then remove your guides for the last time. And what you reveal is a drawing that's been stacked side by side by side and has some dominant elements that blend from one panel to the next. Now, the next stage of this drawing will actually be a digitalized version we'll cover in the next tutorial. So I'll see you guys in class.